The Manipur police have filed an FIR against the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum General Secretary at the Churachandpur police station. As per the FIR, Moan Tombing, General Secretary of the ITLF, has been accused of conspiring for waging of attempting to wage war of abating waging of war against the government of India. Further punishment for sedition, wantonly giving provocation with intent to cause riot if rioting be committed, if not committed. The FIR has been filed by N. Thangzamwan, Inspector Office in Charge, Churachandpur Police Station, under Section 121A by 124A, 153, 120B of IPC. Meanwhile, the case will be investigated by SIB Jairem Thang of Churachandpur Police Station. On the other hand, in response to the recent declaration by the Indigenous Tribal Forum of self-rule in certain districts of Manipur, the state government has asserted that such a statement holds no legal or constitutional standing. Education Minister Basantakumar Thaunauzam, also serving as the law minister, has announced that decisive legal action is being initiated against ITLF and individuals associated with the controversial declaration.